Hello and Happy New Year! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own plantain flour from scratch. Plantain is a nutritious and versatile ingredient, and its flour can be used in a wide range of gluten-free recipes. I have 3 green unripe plantains here, which I have washed thoroughly. The unripe stage is key because it's packed with resistant starch, which is great for gut health and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Peel the plantains by cutting off the ends, cutting them into 3 large chunks, then using a knife to make incisions around it. This makes it easier to peel, as peeling unripe plantains in general can be quite tough. Once the plantains are peeled, grate them using a box grater or the grater attachment on a food processor. Grating helps to speed up the drying process. Don't worry if the plantain is a bit sticky as you grate it, that's totally normal. Spread the grated plantain evenly on a lined baking tray, making sure it's more or less an even layer to enable proper airflow. Use 2 or more trays if necessary. Set your oven to the lowest temperature. This is usually around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Bake the plantains for about 6 hours, checking periodically to ensure they're drying out and not browning. If your oven seems to steam up or you notice condensation on the inside, you can prop the oven door open a little to allow moisture to escape. You can mix and turn the plantain around for more even drying. You can also use a dehydrator for this process if you have one. Once the plantain is completely dried and crisp, use a high-speed blender or food processor to grind the dehydrated plantain into a fine flour. If your blender heats up during the blending process, I recommend spreading the flour on a tray and allowing it to cool off completely before storing it. This will prevent any heat-generated moisture, which can ultimately make the flour spoil faster. And that's it! Homemade plantain flour. It's gluten-free, grain-free, and full of nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and magnesium. To store the flour, transfer it to an airtight container like a glass jar or reusable bag. Keep it in a cool, dry place and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. In terms of how to use plantain flour, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to make pancakes, waffles, biscuits, bread, and other baked goods. It can be used to thicken soups and sauces, or can even be used to make plantain fufu. One really great way you can use the flour is to add it to smoothies for a boost of potassium. Leave a comment below if you'd like me to share some plantain flour recipes in future videos. You can also let me know in the comments how you would use it in your cooking. Making plantain flour at home is so simple and a fantastic way to reduce food waste and embrace natural whole ingredients. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!